right, everybody, welcome. Tonight we're going to do a new training on what we call daisy chaining. We've done one in the past, but we're going to do a new, fresher one here. And we're going to show you how to build killer landing pages and how to connect them together. And I'm going to show you something called daisy chaining. You might not have done this before, but it's a really cool thing to do. And we're going to show you how. First and foremost, typically when you build a landing page, okay, I'm actually going to go grab a share code to make this easy real quick. Share codes, landing page. I'm going to get one with 3 videos. I know this is, just so you know, on the share codes, this is 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, 4 video. So if you want to build a quick page, you can just open something like this and have it. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is, if I was going to build a typical landing page, let me go grab a background image here. I'm going to do like a credit repair finance company, FES, just as an example. Let me go to credit. Let me just grab that page. That looks smooth. All right. What I also like to do is I like to black out the opacity. See how this light gray? I like to make it a little bit darker so my page pops a little bit. Now, I'm going to have watch this webinar. I'm going to say, I'm going to go down to this one. I'm going to say, see our comp plan. And because I want these to look really good on mobile too, I'm just going to reduce the size of the text a little bit. I also like to throw that italicized in there a little bit. Unless you guys are doing some different fonts and whatnot. But just for the sake of this webinar to be quick, I'm not going to change all the colors and stuff. And then the last one would be see our benefits. Okay. And I'm going to show you the difference between one page and daisy chaining. That's why I'm doing this right now. So I'm just going to say FES over. And again, I'm not in this company, so I don't know what videos are good. I just picked a couple on YouTube to make it easy here. So I'm just going to go pop these in the page real quick, like this. So here's a full webinar. Here's a comp plan. And for you that are in this company, this might not even make sense, but most companies break down, you know, their stuff a little bit. And that's exactly what we're doing, is we're just breaking down a couple different exciting videos that would get people, you know, over the moon to join or whatnot. Okay. Of course, you could add, you know, your name and phone number to it, the page. You can add your link where they can go join you. Okay. And then if you wanted to add social networking links, you would just edit and just drag and drop social links in there as well. Okay. So let me just save this page and kind of show you the overview here of what we just did. Hit preview. I don't know if a lot of you know this, but there's a preview button where you can hit preview to see your pages. And what I'm going to do is get on Google Chrome and just reduce the size so you can kind of see what we did here. So this is an example of one page. Does one page work well? It does. But sometimes you may want to walk people through each step and kind of make it a little bit more dynamic, right? So today what we're going to show you how to do is make people do a step and then continue to do a step and then continue to do a step, and what we call daisy chaining, okay? So, but I just wanted to show you the difference between one page, all the videos in order where they just go on one page, don't even have to mess with it, or how to daisy chain. So let's get started. So to make this easy, I'm actually going to go back to share codes and landing pages, and I'm going to click on one video. I'm going to hit copy, and I'm going to start to edit this. Okay, let me blow this up here. Full size. I'll go back, pick my background page. I'll just do that same one we were doing. And with our share codes, it makes it so easy to daisy chain stuff together and quickly change stuff out. Some of you aren't using all the cool tools that we give you. That's why I want to kind of show you this, okay? So now notice there's not 3 videos on this. There's 1. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do, again, I'm just going to reduce this text a little bit, add italicize to it, maybe make it a little bit bigger than that. Okay, I'm going to go grab the webinar. We're going to do it like this. Delete that page there. And we're going to hit this. Okay. So we're going to name this FES over 1. FES over 1. Now, if you want, you can keep name and number here. I'm just going to reduce it. That's a little big for me. I'm going to just reduce that down. Now, watch what I'm going to do. Actually, I'm going to delete this button here. At first, delete. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to say now see how we pay you. Click the button below. Okay. Now, I'm also going to add another button on here. I'm going to show you what it is. So I'm going to hit Edit Components. I'm going to drag and drop a button over. And then I'm going to just edit components again. I'm going to drag some text over. Ready to join? Click Join below. Come on. Okay, again, I'm going to make this real teeny. And I might even change that maybe to red. Right there. Just to go with the background a little bit. Break it up, you know. I like to break text up. I don't like all white. I like to like kind of do a couple page breaks, you know, stuff like that, right? Now, ready to join, click button below. And I'm noticing the writing still doesn't look so crisp. I'm just going to darken that up maybe a little bit more. Like that. That's what I do. I look at it. I'll show you more of that stuff in the master class we're about to do this week. Edit components. Grab a button. Edit. Join. Now. Oh. Oh, I like to do all caps, by the way. I just think it looks better. Join now. I'm going to make the text white. I'm going to make the button red. And I'm going to hit, so this would be whatever, their FES site. Whatever that would be, / whatever, okay. It likes little letters, not big letters. And it likes an S, not a D there. Okay, hit save. Okay, so there we go. And we're going to show you how to connect that button in a second. So now I'm going to hit save on this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my page builder tab. And I'm going to get the share code for the page we just built. Hit create a page, use share code, paste this one in, hit save, edit now. So instead of this video, I'm going to add the comp plan real quick. But because I already had the page built, it makes it easy. You know what? I got to make sure I know which one it was here. Edit now. Okay, so I'm just going to edit that video, hit the next one, hit save, and then I'm going to title this See our comp plan. Just like that. And now down here I'm going to say, now see all the benefits we give you. And I'm going to name this page FES over 2. FES over 2. I'm going to hit save. You won't have to change your link here because it'll be the right one, okay? And then we're going to go back to our page builder. And we're going to copy this share code, create page, use share code, paste that in the box, hit save, edit. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this content, and I'm going to grab this benefits video. And I'm going to name this page FES Overview 3. And then on the last page, I'm just going to delete this one. I don't need a button here. Just a join page, okay? And CR benefits. Just like that. I'm going to hit save. All right, if all went well, I'm going to go back to Page Builder and refresh. And we should have the FES Overview 1, 3, and 2. Okay, so I did mess up here. Darn it, let me see. What 3 has the benefit, okay. Let me go look at the 2 real quick. Edit. 5-minute comp plan. I think that's right. Comp plan. Benefit. No, everything's right. Okay, it's just weird how it's labeled. Okay, so what we have to do is we want to link page 1 to page 2 and page 2 to page 3. It sounds complicated, it's not. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on Get Link for page 2. Okay. And we're going to go to page 1 and we're going to click Edit. We're going to go down here to our button. Click Edit. Paste the page 2. It actually should be, I see what I did, but it's all right. All right, now we want page 2, edit. We want that to go to page 3. So how do we get page 3? We go to page 3, click on link. Just come over here, hit edit on the button, and paste the link for that page in. Save. Now save. Now, that might have looked real confusing for a minute, but that's why this is a video that you can stop and press play and pause and all these kind of things, right? So let's show you here the difference of what we just did, okay? I'm going to show you the first one first. The first page we did, remember, someone comes in through a capture page and you can have them go to a page like this. Got the first 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, button to join. You can add your social networks, add your phone number if you want to do it like that. Or you can do it like this. Watch this webinar. Questions. Now see how we pay you. They can join there or they can click. When they click, they go to the second page. Watch our video. They get done watching this. They can call you. They can join or they can click on that, and then it goes over to the third page and the last page where now there's just a sign up button. So basically what you're doing is that's what we call daisy chaining. When you take one page, for example, they click a button, it connects them to another page, and then connect them to another page, versus this page where it's all on one, okay? Some people like to do this because it's walking somebody through step by step. It's also cool if you ever want to build like a training site for your team. Like this is exactly how we build TCP Start Here. Here's the first step. Watch this. When you're done with step 1, click there and it will take you to step 2. Once you're done with step 2, click here and it will go to step 3. And you can build as many pages as you want. You can link as many pages as you want. So the Conversion Pros makes it real easy. I also like it when I do a consistent background, the same background on every page, because then it really looks like it's part of one funnel. You see that? The background doesn't really change, just the videos change. And then you could add your phone number, social links, and you can add all kinds of other stuff to the pages too, which we'll talk about in our masterclass. But it's really cool that you can do this for any company, any service. The other benefit is you might do this. You might have an intro page and learn all about our products, click here. Learn all about our opportunity, click here. Where if they click there, they can go right into an opportunity page, where if they, or product page, if they click the bottom, it could take them to an opportunity page. And then you could build off of each page as much as you want. So again, it doesn't matter. If you want to build videos all in one page, go ahead. Or if you want to do this daisy chain method where you can connect page. See, here's a cool thing. We let you add as many buttons as you want. So you can click and literally add button after button after button to go different places. For example, let me see if I have one here. I know I do. Hold on one second here. I just want to show you one page that we had built for a company, and they have, well, here, I'll do it off of this. Okay, I helped them do this thing. They click on products, and you see all the buttons on one page. Every single one you click takes them to a different page about a different product. So again, we have one page that's basically daisy chaining, and let me show you. You have a page like this with more buttons that you can daisy chain into another. So for example, you want to find more about the products again? Click there, it takes them right back to the product page. Want to see an opportunity? Click here. Whoop, that one must not be linked right. Want to click more? Click there. And so you can do that. So you can build off of each page as much as you want. Whoops, some of these aren't linked, right? This is just an example. But you can click on any of these pages and link them to wherever you want them to go. So again, each button, I mean, you can have a page or a system that has 1,000 pages in it if you want to, using the daisy chain method. So hopefully you guys found this entertaining, and maybe you're not using it like this and you say, wow, I got a great use to connect pages together, and that's how you do it. It's very, very easy, very simple, and very fun.